A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is decoding human transformation from consciousness to coherence. Ladies and gentlemen, in an age marked by accelerated motion and inner depletion, a quiet call resounds, a call for transformation, not merely of the world, but of the human being. A transformation in thought, in intention, in action. One that restores the deeper purpose of existence within the vast and intricate design of the cosmos. The time has arrived to decode the timeless sequence of transformation, beginning with consciousness, evolving into coherence, and culminating in aligned, empowered living. Every transformation begins with awareness. Within the human brain, this wondrous interface between spirit and substance flows the subtle energy of thought, fed by the six senses, including perception. The brain remains alert, interpreting every signal from life. When fully awakened, this energy leads to a state often referred to as consciousness, where presence is sharp, senses are synchronized, and awareness becomes alive. Consciousness is not merely biological alertness. It is the ignition of inner clarity, compassion, and cosmic memory. From here, the next movement is towards coherence. This is the stage where thoughts, emotions, and actions are no longer fragmented but fused into rhythm. In coherence, the inner field becomes organized and energy begins to flow with grace, conviction, and direction. Thoughts in this state carry clarity. Actions that follow bear alignment. When thoughts are objective, positive, and anchored in higher awareness, and actions are fueled with intent and purpose, the outcome is no less than transformative, both for the self and the surrounding world. Stillness serves as the bridge between consciousness and coherence. In silence, the scattered signals fade, and the deeper voice of the cosmos is heard. Practices rooted in physical and mental health care, deep breathing and mindfulness, sunshine and contemplation, solitude and prayer unlock clarity, regulate emotion, and prepare the ground for inner mastery. Scientific evidence echoes this ancient truth. Coherent brain states enhance resilience, empathy, learning, and mental strength. And beyond all data lies the unspoken thread that binds every seeker to a higher field of guidance, a field not of domination but of sacred dialogue and emotional trust, cultivated in silence and shaped by surrender. What's the way forward? In every corner of existence, there lies someone silently seeking clarity, purpose, or peace. The path forward lies in gathering the scattered signals like luminous pixels, each carrying a fragment of truth, skill, or learning. Over time, these fragments begin forming a meaningful picture. From awareness to skill to competency, and from intent to alignment to courage. Transformation then is not a destination but a gradual unfolding, and at every step the unseen hand of divine intelligence walks beside those who seek with sincerity and act with emotional trust. The very desire to evolve invokes the energy to transform. Let no state of despair be seen as final. Let no circumstance dim the possibility of inner awakening. Each soul carries the potential to rise from its own center, decode its purpose, and walk forward with dignity, clarity, and grace. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the sacred scripture of the Bhagavad Gita, it is declared, wherever there is Krishna, the Lord of Yoga, and wherever there is Arjuna, the bearer of the bow, there will surely be prosperity, victory, well-being, and steadfast wisdom. This was not a statement of conquest. It was the highest assurance ever offered to human potential, that wherever clarity of guidance unites with readiness to act, the cosmic force aligns. This timeless truth applies to every seeker today. Transformation is not the privilege of a few. It is the promise made to every soul willing to listen within, act without fear, and walk in rhythm with higher design. When consciousness awakens, and coherence is cultivated, life does not just improve, it elevates. And in that elevation lies the true purpose of existence. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.